Pass. Number 2. Tumira, pasok. Score 39-20 in favor of Compadres. Time remaining 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Pass to number 4. Number 4 to number 32. 32 to number 55. Binalik kay number 32. Pinasa kay number 4. Behind the back to number 25. Tumira, wala. Nakuha nino. Nakuha ni Dos pero nawala ang bola. Nakuha ng tatay niya. Number 2 to number 6. Number 6 setting the play. Pinasa kay number 13. The Big Papa. Pinasa kay number. Nakuha nino. Nakuha ni number 25. Same ball. Number 32. Number 55 to number 4. Nakangiti. Tumira. Bang shot by number 4. Number 2. Tumira ng 3.
Wow. 3 points.
Boy, number 2. That pass. Pass to number 6.
Mas mo na, boy. Tagal mo na.
Number 25 again.
Oh, sayang.
No good. Nakuha ni Big Papa. There's a foul. Foul number 2 ng Ice on Fire. That pass. First personal foul and second team foul by Ice on Fire.